Today we're going to discuss how you can offer a next-generation customer experience to your online consumers with the Backbase Customer Experience Portal. So our message to you is quite simple. Customer experience is king for the online channel. We know most of you as financial institutions have a lot of tools and applications and functionality out there for your consumers. And quite frankly, that's not the differentiator between you and the competition. Any unique capabilities that you have will no doubt be picked up by your competitors very quickly. What's going to make you stand out from the competition is the actual experience that your online consumers have with your offering. And with the Backbase Next Generation Customer Experience Portal, what we want to do is allow you to create and deliver a rich and relevant personal experience for your online consumers to engage and delight them through the process. So I want to be very clear. We're not a PFM tool. We're not a white label packaged application. We're not an online banking platform. We are an enterprise portal application which really focuses and stresses the importance of customer experience. So our solution is relevant to all of the folks here today, whether you're a large financial institution, a small community bank or credit union, even all of these innovative product companies that we've seen today. If you're interested in creating a next-generation customer experience, our solution could help you. Now, we understand most of you have portal systems currently in place. You've invested a lot of dollars. You also have a lot of back-end systems in place. And that's why we've designed the Backbase Next Generation Portal to really sit on top of all of your existing systems. We don't want you to do any rework. We don't want you to re-architect anything. We simply want you to provide the richness and relevance with our solution to your end users. So very quickly, we were founded in 2003. We were one of the original pioneers in AJAX and RIA applications. And through the past 7 years, we've worked with over probably 200 or 300 clients. And we've taken the best practices and the technology that we've developed in working with these folks and created our portal solution. So we don't want your IT teams to recreate and reinvent what we already have out there. Your IT team should be focused on delivering your core competency, financial services. We want you to utilize our customer experience platform to focus on providing that best user experience. So we're talking about customer experience, and I'm talking instead of showing it to you, so let's actually show your solution. Kevin's going to walk you through a sample demo, and keep in mind this is just an example of the experience possible with Backbase. We built this with a large global bank. They wanted to engage with the younger generation, the folks used to Facebook and Netflix and iGoogle. And what you're going to see here is an example of what's possible with our solution.
Thank you, David. So I am a great example of a target user of financial institutions. I am married, no kids, dual income, educated, career with upward mobility. So how an institution works with me may be different than how they work with other people. So what we want to deliver is a relevant solution to our customers. So what I'm showing you today is a typical example of what can be built using Backbase Next Generation Portal. This is an example that I'm running on an iPad, but the same experience that you see here can be accessed through a PC or regular desktop browser as well. So as a user who has both cash accounts and some investment accounts, when I first access the site, I have a set of relevant tools that are personalized for me. Now the tools that I get, as well as the tools that I add, are not just here when I first access the site, but can follow me throughout my online experience. So if I want to go and look at different saving options that are available from my banking institution, I can see that the tools have followed me as I've navigated to this savings section and as I go through the page. So at any point, I can easily go back to my main customer page to complete my tasks at hand. In my case, I'm here to pay my phone bill, so I can click on AT&T, review the bill, and choose to pay that bill and see that the payment has moved into my list of pending payments. Since I'm here, I can also go and choose to pay my Comcast bill and add that to my list of pending payments as well. In addition to electronic bills, I have personal contacts that I want to pay. So I'm going to add in my contacts, and I can go and personalize my experience, move them up to the top. And I need to go and repay David for the iPad cover he picked up for me. So I can navigate through my contacts, choose David from the list, choose to make a quick payment, choose my amount, and add that to my list of pending payments as well. I can now go and review all of the payments that I have pending, select them all, and choose to submit those selecting payments. Now that I'm finished with my pending payments and my contacts, I can go and close these two gadgets. And I may want to do a little bit of financial research. So I'm going to go and add in some financial news. I can see that the financial news is loaded, and I can go and launch into a larger view to look at it in a little bit more detail. So as I go and navigate through the stories, I can look at the information that is relevant to me and what I'm doing as a user at this financial institution. So this is an example of the richness, relevance, reuse, relationships, and results that can be created with the Backbase Customer Experience Portal. Richness through interactive tools and gadgets. Relevance by delivering content that is meaningful to me as a user. Reuse by leveraging the existing systems that we have in place, as well as third-party APIs and infrastructures that are available. Relationships with both my personal networks as well as the institution I'm doing business with. And finally, results by tying in customer experience with our business goals.
Pretty cool. So I want to stress a few points here. Once again, we're not a PFM tool. This is an enterprise portal. You can customize it, brand it, give it your own look and feel, your own behavior, tailor this to your specific needs. If you want to have a customer experience like this within your online portals and online applications, please come down and talk to us during the breakout session. We look forward to talking to you. Thank you.